is a 1000 plus 9. So what we are doing? That is a place value. So place value. 9 means what? This is the 9. So it is which place? 1000 place. What we are doing? We have to multiply 1000. That is a 9000. Next 5. Which place is there? That is a 100 place. So we are multiplying 5 into 100. That is a 500. What is this one? This is a place value. So 3 is a 10 digit. So we are multiplying the 10. So 3 into 10, that is a 30. And 2 is 1's place. So we are multiplying the 1. That is a 2 into 1. That is a 2 into 1, 2. Now we will move on this one. Face value. What is face value? The number is itself is coming the face value. For example, my face, that is a face value is me only. So here is what the place value of a digit is the same as itself. Same as itself. So irrespective of where it comes in the place value. In the place value. I am taking the same number here, that is a 9532. We are whatever we are making, this is a face value. So face value, I am taking this is 1's place, 10's place, and 100 place, and 1000 place. 9 is place value means that is a 9000. If you are counting this one face value, the 9 is 9 only. Then 5 place value means that is 500. If you are taking face value, that is what 5 is. Face value is 5 only. Then 3 face value is only 3 is there. The same itself it is coming. 3 is face value is 3 only. Now 2 is where? That is a 1's place. That is a 1's place value is that is a 2. Now we want face value. So face value 2 is the face value is 2 only. Got the point? Okay.
Today let us learn about face value of number. Each digit is in a number has its own value, that is depending upon its position in face value chart. Let us understanding by solving few example. Hello, I am a Padma teacher. Would like learn about face value and place value. Now we are learning now this is a place value of the digit of a number. So let us begin. First let me tell you what mean by face value of digit. Let us understand with the help of number, that is a 7813. The place of a digit in a number depend upon its position in the place value chart. Now let us take a number of 7818. 7 is what? That is a digit 7 is in 1000 column. So 8 is in a 100 columns and 1 is that is a tens column and 3 is one column, that is a ones column. Now let us have a look. A face value of each digit has 7 is a 1000, that they are 7000. 7 into 1000, that is a 7000. Now 100 means that is 8 is in 100 place. So 8 is in 100 place, 100 column. It is what place value? 8 into 100. So 800. 1 that is a tens place. So 1 into 10 that is a 10. And 1's place that is a 3. 3 into 1 that is a 3. Now let us understand what is the face value. Face value is what? The digit. Okay, the digit, the face value of digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. The face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. Let us look at the number 7813. Let us look at the number 7813. Again, to understand this, as you already know the digit, 7 place is in the thousand place, no? So, 8 is in hundred place and 1 is in the tens place and 3 is a ones place. But face value of digit, now here it is a face value. The place value means 7 means that is a thousand place, 800 place and 1 is that is a tens place and 3 is ones place. But face value of digit is the same as the digit itself irrespective of where it is come. Okay, in the face value column chart. Now, so the face value of 7 is 7 only. The face value of 8 is 8 only. And the place that is a face value of 1 is 1 only. The face value of 3 is that is 3 only. Place value and face value. Place value means what? The place value of a digit in a number is the place it occupies in a number. Whichever number is coming, that place is occupies. That is a place value. The face value means itself only. The face value of digit in a number is the number itself irrespective of the place it occupies. Let us find the place value and the face value of each digit of 3782. Okay, we are finding the face value and place value. First we are finding place value, afterwards face value. See here 2 is in the ones place. 2 is in one place, yes, no? Hence it is the place value is 2 into 1, that is a 2. Then 2 into 1, that is a ones place, so it is a 2, and its face value is itself, that is a 2. 2 is 2. Now we are taking 8, that is a tens place, so 8 is in a tens place, hence its place value 8 into 10. Why? The tens place is here, so we are multiplying 10, that is a 80, and its face value is 8 only. Itself the number is coming. The face value means 8 only. Now 7 is the 100 place, hence it's the place value 100. 7 is a 100 place, so you have to multiply by 100 only. 7 into 100 is equal to 700, and its face value is 7 only. 3 which place is coming? That is a 1000 place, so 3 is in a 1000 place, hence its place value is 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000, and it is a face value that the number is itself only 3 only. Its face value is 3. Let us see here. Okay, 3, that is a 1000 place. 3 is a 1000 place, so 3 into 1000, that is a 3000. 700 place, that is a 7 into 100, 700. 8, that is a tens place. 8 into 10, that is a 80, and 2 is ones place. 2 into 1, that is a 2. Face value, 3 is face value, that is a face value 3. 7, that is a face value is 7 only, itself number is coming. 8 is, that is a face value is 8 only, and 2 also it comes its number only, that is a face value, that is 2. Example, write the face value of place value and face value of the colored digit. Here they are given. One example, 7237, 8536, 9135, 2421. Let us solve here. They are solving here. They are solved here. So solution. The number first one is 7237. they are red, that is colored. Which digit is colored? 2. 2 which the place is coming? That is a 100 place. 2 into 100, that's the 200. Then face value, the number itself only, 2 is 2. Then 8536. Which number is digit? The color the digit, that is a 3. That is a tens place. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. The face value is same. That is itself only coming. That is 3 only. 9135. 5 is a ones place. So we are multiplying 1. 5 into 1. That is a 5 only. The face value is 5 means that is comes 5 only. Now 2421 is, which is the place? That is a 1000 place. So we are multiplying 1000. 2 into 1000, that is a 2000. The face value is, that is 2 means the face value is itself, number is coming itself, the number which one? That is a 2. Expounded form and standard form. The expounded form means what? Expanded form of a number is number right has the sum of the place values of all its digits. The expounding form is of a number is a number. Number is a number. Written has a sum. We are writing has a sum of a place values. Which is the place is coming? That is, we are writing place value of all digit. We are taking all digit. Standard form means what? The standard form of a number is number obtained by adding the place value of the digit of the number. We are adding the place value and of the digit of the number. Consider the number. Here they are giving one example. That is what? 6853. This is what? This is a standard form. So now we are expounding. The expounding form of the number 6853. So 6000 means this is a 6800. That is 8 is 100 place. 850. So it is a 50 and 3. 6000 plus 8800 plus 50 plus 3, that is a 6853. It may also written as, we are write this one like this, and otherwise we are writing like this only. Okay, both we can write down. Now 6, this is a 6. Which place is that one? Into 1000 place, 1000. So 1000 plus, we are adding, so plus, and 8 is 100 place, so multiply 100. 8 into 100 plus 5 is 100 tens place, so we are multiplying tens only. 5 into 10 plus, we have to writing this one plus, adding the place value. Yes, no? So 3 is ones place, 3 into 1. Okay, or we are writing like this also. 6000 800s and 50 tens. 50 tens is there. Yes, no? And 3 ones. This is what? Expounding form. Its standard form is, this is a standard form. One figure is coming, that is what? That is a standard form. 6853. Write the expounding. Example they are giving. Write the expanded form of 2353, and another one is 2729. 8729. B1 8729. Now solution. 2354. How we are writing? The place value of 2 is which place? In 2353 is, that is a 1000 place. So it is 2 into 1000, 2000. The place value of 3 is, 3 in the 2354 is 100 place. So we are multiplying the 3 into 100, that is a 300. The place of 5 in 2354, the 5 place is tens place. So 5 into 10, that is a 50. The place value of 4 in 2354 is, that is ones place. 4 into 1, that is a 4. the expounding form of number. How we are expounding? We are writing here the place value and afterwards we are adding this one. 2354 is 2000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 4. This is what? Expounded form. Now second one, 8729. 8, the place value of 8 is 8000. Yes, no, 100 place. That is a 1000 place. Now 100 place. The place of 707 is, that is a 700. The place of 2 is, that is a 20. And place of 9 is, that is a 1's place. So 9. How we are expanding? The expounded form of the number 8729 is 8000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 9. Example 5th, the example 5. Write the standard or short form. Short form or and standard form of number means the same. The standard form and short form is same. Here they are expounded. We have to write down the one figure, that is a standard form. 7000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 2. Okay, 7000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 2, that is a 7452. 7452. This is standard form. What this one? This is expound form. B1 3000 plus 440 plus 8. 3000 plus 40 plus 8. Here it is what? 1000 place is here. That is a 3 zeros means 1000 place. 2 zeros means 100 place. 1 zero means that is a tens place. Here it is a 3 zeros are there, so it is a 1000 place, and 100 place is not in here, not there, so we are putting 0. If it is not there, we have to put 0. Okay, afterwards tens place is there, that is a 4 and 8. 3048. The answer is 3048. Now we will move on exercise part. First one, 2.2. First write the place value of colored digit. Here it is the sums are there. We are solving this one. First one, 6324. They are underlining 2, that is a tens place, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. The place value of 2 is, that is a 20. Second one, 3587. The place value of 5, the underlining the red color, that is a 5. We have to write down. 5 is which place? That is 100 place. So you have to write down 500 or 5 into 100, that is a 500. C1, 4782. The place value is 4. So there we have to mention that one. For the place value of 4 is, that is a 1000 place. So 4 into 1000, that is a 4000. D1, 2159. 9 is 1's place. So the place value of 9 is 9. 9 into 1, that is a 9. E1, 8745. They are colored the digit, so that is a 7. 7 is a 100 place, so you have to multiply 100. The place value of 7 is 700. 7 into 100, that is a 700. F1, 1278. Where they are colored, that is the digit 1. Which place? That is a 1000 place. The place value of 1 is 1000. So 1 into 1000, 1000. G1, 5468. 5468. Where they are colored 4. Which place? That is a 100 place. The place value of 4 is 400. 4 into 1, 400. H1, 8527. They are coloring the tens place, that is a 2. We have to multiply 10. So the place value of 2 is 20. 2 into 10. Now I1, 4046. 4046. Where they are coloring that one? 4046. They are coloring, that is what? 0. Then okay, that is a 0. The place value of 0 is, that is a 0, nothing. J1 7592. The underlining the 2, so that is the ones place. The place value of 2 is, that is a 2. Second one, write the place value of each digit of the following numbers. First one, what? A1 1872. They are telling the each digit. We have to write the each digit. The place value of 1 is, that is 1000. The place value of 8 is 800, that is 100 place. The place of 7 is tens place, that is 70. The place value of 2 is, that is 2. Second one, 4269. We have to write down the place value of each digit. The place value of 4 is 4000. The place value of 2 is 200. The place value of 6 is 60. The place value of 9 is 9. That is a 1. 9 is 1's place. 9 into 1, that is a 9. C1 1024. So we are writing the 1000 place, tens place and ones place. The place value of 1 is 1000. That is 1 into 1000, 1000. The place value of 0 is 0. Nothing is there. The place value of 2 is, that is a 20. Okay, that is a tens place. And the place value of 4 is ones place. That is a 4. D1 2503. We are writing the digit numbers, the place value of digit number. The place value of 2 is, that is 2 into 1000, 1000, that is 2000. The place value of 5 is, that is 500, 100 place, and 0 is nothing. So the place value of 0 is 0. The place value of 3 is, that is 1's place, that is 3. Next one, 7, that is E, 7458. The place value of 7 is 700. The place value of 4 is, that it is 100 place. So the 4 is 100 place. 4 into 100, that is 400. The place value of 5 is, that is a tens place. 5 into 10, 5 into 10, 50. The place value of 8 is, that is 1's place. 8 into 1, 8. So that is a 8. Here third one, write the face value of colored the digit. They are colored the digit. We have to write down the face value. Face value means the number is itself only face value. Here it is a 6. 6 face value is 6. Here it is a 1. 1 face value is 1 only. 8. The face value is 8 only. 0. 0 face value is 0 only. 4. The 4 face value is 4 only. 3. The 3 face value is 3 only. 6. The face value is, that is a 6 only. Then 1. The 1 face value is 1. 8. The face value is 8. 2. 2 face value is, that is a 2 only. Here it is what? It's the, what is the number it is? That one is coming. That is a face value. Itself it is coming. So that is a face value. Fourth one, write the following the numbers in exponent form. We have to write the exponent form. This is a standard form. Okay. So this is the ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 5000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 8. This is what? Exponent form. So you can write down 5 into 1000 plus 5 into 100, 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8. Like this you have to write down, no problem. Second one, 2754. 2754. 2000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 4. That is 2754. This is standard form. When we are expounding, we are adding this one's place value. So it is what? Expound form. This is a expound form. C1 4788. That is a 4000 plus 700 plus 8 plus 8. That is a 4788. 3668. 3000 plus 600 plus 60 plus 8. Okay, 1306. See, 1000 is there, 100 plus nothing is there. We have to skip, and 3, that is a 3 tens place 30 plus 6. F1 3387, 3000 plus 380 plus 7, 2003. See here it is 2000 is there, 100 place is nothing, that is 0, so we are skipping, and tens place also you are skipping, and plus 1. Then 1123, 1000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 3. I 2204, 2000 plus 200, tens place is nothing, we are skipping, then the ones place is 4. This is what? Exponent form. This is standard form. 2287 is standard form. So 2000 plus 200 plus 8. 8 is a tens place, 80 plus 7. Fifth one, write the following numbers standard form. Here it is exponent form. You have to write on standard form. So first one is 7000. See, 7000, 1000 means 3 zeros, 100 means 2 zeros, and tens means 1 0. Okay. 7 is there, 8 is there, and 9 and 3. So 7893. 5200. See, 5000 is there. 3 zeros, 2 zeros, and 1 0. Okay, 5231. See here, 3000 is there, 3 zeros are there, 2 zeros are there, 1 0 is missing. So 3600. The 1 0 is missing, so we are putting here, that is a tens place, and 2 is a ones place. So 3602. 3 zeros, 2 zeros, 1 zeros. 9544. Now 2000, 3 zeros, 2 zeros, 1 0. 2937. Here it is a 3 zeros, 2 zeros is missing, 1 0 is there. So ones place is nothing. So 6030. 6000 only 30. 6000, 100 place is nothing there, and ones place is nothing. So we have to write down 6030. Sixth one, fill in the blanks. Some are missing here. See, here it is 3 zeros and 1 0 is there, and this one is also missing. 4000 is there, and 100 is, that is a 5. 500, 100 place is 5, so we are writing 3 zeros, 2 zeros, 1 0. 520 is there, and plus ones place what? That is a 1. Here it is a what? 6437 they are asking. They are telling 6437. 6000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 7. 3 zeros, 2 zeros, 1 0. Here they are telling 9358. 3 zeros, 2 zeros, 1 0. 9358. Here they are telling 2050. 2000 plus 50 plus 9. 3 zeros are there, 2 zeros are missing, and 1 0 is there. So 2002 we are writing. 100 place we are putting 0, and 50 is, that is a 5, and 1's place is 9. So 2059. Here it is 1908 they are telling. Here it is a missing, 2 zeros are there, here also missing. So 1000, here it's a 1000 place, 1000, 9 is 100 place, 9 into 100, 90, that is a 900. 10's place is nothing, so we are putting 0 and plus 8. Now here it is, match the expounding form of the numbers in the column A with their standard form in the B. Here it is the exponent form, and here it is a standard form. So we have to match this one. 3000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 3. Where that one? 3743. Second one, 1504. 1504. Second one, third one, 5070 plus 4. 5074. 5074. 3573. 3573. 4821. 4821. 5600. 605. 5605. So this one is what we have to match this one.